Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to exchange normal one dust collector for the 2-in-1 dust and water tank for your Proscenic M6 Pro. So in order to do this, first of all, we'll need to open the cover for our Proscenic. Simply put the finger right beneath the buttons and lift it up like this. Now we'll need to take out our dust and debris collector. It's located right here, and in order to take it out, simply put your finger right here and then another one in this wide hole above it. Simply pull the one that is right here and lift it to yourself. So now we've taken out our normal dust and debris collector, and we can insert this 2-in-1 dust and water tank. So simply pull it, put it in like this and push it till it sits without any movement. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.